In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view, add, and delete employee attributes. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have a location selected, then choose Employees. Once you arrive at your list of employees, click on the employee you'd like to view attributes for. You will automatically be taken to your employee's personal information. To go to their attributes, click on Attributes at the top of their chart. Now you can see any attributes assigned to that employee. If you click on the attribute, you can see all of the details in a pop-up window. You can see the start time, end time, the name of the attribute, and any notes. Notice you can't change anything about this attribute. All you can do is close the window. I'll go ahead and choose Close. When you are in your location instead of your enterprise, you can only view the attributes. If you need to make any adjustments, you need enterprise permission. To switch over to your enterprise view, go to TeamWork and choose your enterprise, in this case, Alpine University. You will automatically be taken back to your list of employees, so click on that same employee again. Then click on Attributes at the top of your chart, or you can go to your new top menu bar, click on Settings, and choose Attributes. You should now arrive at that list of attributes again. This time, if I click on the attribute, there is a Save button at the bottom of this chart. That means I can make changes to this attribute. Maybe I'll say something like, please delete, because this employee has already graduated, so this attribute of student doesn't need to be attached to them any longer. If I don't want to make any changes, I can click Close. I do, so I will choose Save. And now that attribute has been adjusted. Notice that a green save bar has appeared under the Add button, letting me know when this page was last saved. If I want to delete that attribute, I can click on this box, then choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete that attribute. If you don't, hit Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that attribute has been removed from this employee's chart. If I want to add an attribute, I can click on Add. Now a pop-up window will allow me to add an attribute. To change this attribute, click the arrow next to Attribute and choose one from the drop-down menu. Let's say this employee has mastered all of our restaurant's specialty drinks, so I'll click on that. I could also add a start date. Maybe I'll put they started working on them a month ago, and they finished working on them today. So I'll click on the calendar, choose the one that's highlighted as today. I'll go ahead and add the date this attribute was added to the schedule. So I'll click here, choose today again. If you don't want to add this attribute, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to click Add. And now that attribute has been added to the schedule, and the green bar under Add has been updated to the current time. I'll go ahead and save this page if I like all of my changes. And now a green Save bar has appeared next to the Save button, letting me know when this page was last saved. And that's how you can view, add, and delete attributes for your employees. Check out the next video to learn how to terminate an employee.